All right, also here we are in the classwork for Unit 5, Lesson 1, or 5.1. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the first 4 problems here just to get you started. If you need any extra help after that, finishing up the classwork, you can always send me a picture and I can write on the screen for you and send it back in the email. So number 1 here, again, we're finding the areas. So I've got a triangle, and I can't count the squares of the triangle because we've got that diagonal line. So I have to box it up first. So I'm using purple here. So here's my box for my triangle, and I just want this top left part. So I'm going to count across 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 going across the top, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going down. So I'm going to find my total first, which is 5 times 4, which is 20. And then I have to divide it by 2, and that will give me 10. So my area would be 10 units squared. All right. So number 2 here, I want you to pause real quick, double check your own boxes, and then go ahead and rejoin us once you've got your boxes drawn in around your triangles. So if you check back here, I've got box in this whole triangle here. And again, I want just the shaded part. And then I've got one more at the bottom, same thing, got a box in the triangle, and I want just this shaded part. So my top half, I've got a total of 4 boxes. I have to divide that in half. So this would give me 2 for the top section. My middle section here, I got 1 and 2 boxes here. And then in the bottom, again, I have 4 total boxes. I have to take half of those, which is 2 again. So to find my total, I have to add them all up. So I have 2 plus 2 plus 2, which would give me a total of 6. So 6 units squared. All right. Number 3 here. Go ahead and pause real quick. Try it out. It should be a pretty easy one. And then join us back in when you're done. So if I count across the top here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 going across the top. Going down, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can just do 7 times 4, which gives me 28. Remember, you could also count each individual box inside the rectangle. That just takes a little longer. But my area would be 28 units squared. All right. And then the last one I'm going to do on the video here, I've got 2 triangles I see here. So I've got to box this one in. I've got a box in my bottom one. So on the top, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total boxes. Divide it in 2, so I get 3. In the middle, I've got 1, 2, 3 boxes. So this would just be 3. And then on the bottom, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total boxes. Divide them in half, and I get 3 again. So to find the total, I'd have to do 3 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 9. So my answer would be 9 units squared. All right, so that's all I'm going to do on the video for now. Again, if you're still working on the classwork and you still have questions, send me a picture of what you have done so far, and then I can write on it and give you some feedback, hopefully help you out. But that's all we're going to do for now.